What steps can be taken to acquire trading skills securely, enabling consistent and professional trading? What do you need to do to learn to trade? Where do you start? What do you need to focus on? Some trading courses may focus on systems without providing detailed guidance on implementation, leaving traders uncertain about real market scenarios. They don't cover the just as important other parts of trading, like the planning, preparation, or the assessment and analysis of trade results. Or they'll outline the principles of professional trading, like having a working system, the proper psychology, position sizing, but they won't show you what that really looks like. Attempting to self-learn through YouTube may not always clarify the complexities of trading, as not all instructors effectively demystify the subject. This can lead to confusion and feelings of being overwhelmed. We know because we've been there. Knowing that the best way to learn the complex art of trading is through an integrated, step-by-step process, that's what we've created in our courses. Ablewaytech's specialty is systematically teaching all the different components of trading in an organized format, while also giving you specific, practical examples that you can use right away. Our Applied Systems Development for Traders course is a highly structured and organized course for learning to trade in the style of Dr. Ken Long and his Owl Group. This comprehensive online program teaches you the skills used by many of our successful traders. It's a systematic process that walks you through all the necessary actions of successful trading. Whether you're a beginner in trading or an experienced trader seeking to advance, our courses and platforms are well suited for students at all levels. The best place to start is with the Applied Systems Development course. Ken Long strongly endorses our course, saying, "I believe the Ablewaytech course on Applied Systems Development and Kata Challenge and the Owl Bundle User Group is the fast track to understanding our core concepts on directional trading." So what sets Ablewaytech apart? Let's delve into our flagship program, the Applied Systems Development course. In collaboration with Dr. Ken Long, our course features the Kata Challenge system, a comprehensive online program designed for traders of all skill levels. We don't just teach you theory, we emphasize practical application, showing you how to put that theory into action. Starting with the simple yet highly effective Kata Challenge system, we learn to think like a trader in probabilities, tackling one pattern at a time to avoid feeling overwhelmed. We provide everything you need to start trading a working system, from symbols and time frames to specific patterns and exit strategies. But trading isn't just about executing a system. There are many other aspects to trading. Our Plan, Prepare, Execute, Assess framework offers a systematic approach to continuous improvement. We'll equip you with the skills and assignments to build your own trading systems. All sessions are recorded, giving you forever access to the wealth of knowledge provided. The 12-week Applied Systems Development course covers everything, from chart setup details and finding trading patterns to developing your personal trading plan and advanced strategies for building your own systems. Throughout the course, we ensure understanding with weekly exercises and provide question and answer support. Learning is interactive, ensuring you grasp the concepts. And the best part? You get to engage in 12 weekly live Zoom sessions for real-time feedback and connect with a community of traders. We've been receiving lots of positive feedback from our students, praising the structured delivery and practical application. Here's what you can expect during the 12 weeks of the Applied Systems Development program. We start with learning all the unique indicators and chart setups that we use in the Owl Group. This specific set of indicators and chart setups are unique to Ken Long and his Owl Group, so that alone is an edge. Then we dive into 6 weekly workshop sessions where we learn the Kata Challenge system and practice on real markets. Next, we explain the details and finer points for each phase of trading, from planning and preparation, where we learn to find the movers, to the execution and assessment phase, where we show you how to use data analysis and statistics to continuously improve. Covered throughout all these sections is the psychology of trading and how it applies in all these different phases, because we know this is one of the most important things to get right if you want to trade well. Looking for help with the indicators and want to automate more parts of your trading? How about backtesting and scanning? Dr. Ken Long's price action indicators are available for thinkorswim desktop with our Owl Bundle for thinkorswim. You can also purchase both the Applied Systems Development course and the Owl Bundle trading indicators for a special price. Lastly, become a member of our thriving Owl Bundle User Group, where we meet each week to share new tools and techniques that can be used to enhance your trading. We are also now in collaboration with EdgeRater, a super fast backtesting, scanning, and market analysis tool that includes 2 of Ken Long's trading systems, as well as many other well-known trading experts. Our backtesting with EdgeRater has allowed us to quantify our trading edges. In our Owl Bundle User Group, we are conducting various backtest studies to help us develop new trading systems. Ablewaytech.com, where you go from theory to practical application.